So after completing steps 1 and 2 of creating a GitHub account and downloading and installing software on our computer, we're going to move on to step number 3, which is creating a new repository. So first we're going to visit the Collection Builder CSV template on the github.com interface. And we're going to now ensure that we are in fact logged into GitHub. And you can do this by looking in the top right of your screen and clicking on this icon and making sure that your GitHub username shows up here. If you're not logged in, you'll see an option to sign in, so you'll want to log into your GitHub account. So because I'm logged in, I have the option to click on this Use This Template button. So I'm going to click on that button and then click Create a New Repository. So now I'm going to name this new repository, and the repository is going to be a copy of all of the contents of the Collection Builder CSV repository template. So I'm going to name this something short and memorable that does not have any spaces or capital letters, just to follow best practices. So I'm going to call this demo-cb-csv. And at this point, if I wanted this repository to be owned by one of the GitHub organizations that I'm a part of, I could click on this little drop-down under Owner and select from this list of orgs that I'm a part of. However, I want this repository to be owned by my individual GitHub account, so I'm just going to leave it as my GitHub username. And then finally, I'm going to leave the option next to public checked because I want anyone on the internet to be able to see my repository code. Now I'm going to click the green Create Repository button, and this will start to generate my repository and make a copy of the Collection Builder CSV template that I can now edit for my own collection site.